Let's take a look at what happened with Tesla today. So we closed at 240.68, down $7.41. That's down 3%. Post-market down 24 cents. Let's take a look at the facts, and then let's look at the possible trading and investing strategies we could use to profit from what we are seeing. So guess what I am going to say? Tesla is into a downward channel. Tesla is into a downward channel. A two-lane channel. Bounced on 217.65 right here. Boom. And at the same time, cannot break 252.14. These are the facts. The stock price is in an equilibrium between these two numbers, 217.65, 250, 252.14. And by the way, we are still below the 21-day moving average. This is the 21-day moving average. So we could be having a little bit of a bounce back to the moving average at some point. These are the types of things that we see happen. If we start breaking on the daily chart, 252.14, that's the strategy part. If we start breaking this, we can see this as a buy signal, but I don't think we are going to be able to get stochastic over 60. So it's going to be like a weak buy that might not last a long time, maybe up to 273.79, and maybe this is going to come back later. Any move up without stochastic over 60 is a move up that you cannot really trust. You can make a bad boy good for a weekend, but that's pretty much it. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. Yeah, we see it a little bit more on the 1 hour chart. This is the first hour. We stayed above 238, caved in, and now we are back above, and I like to see this. I like to see a candle that stops right smack on the support. We have stochastic over 60, so there's still some chance on the 1 hour chart that we might go a little bit higher eventually. Let's take a look at the rest of the market. VIX. Okay, VIX closed higher today. We have been coming down for 2 days, and now we are up 0.43. So it seems like VIX does not really want to go down. So if VIX does not want to go down, the stock market is going to go down. Bonds, nothing to say, cannot really break 4.3%. Dow Jones, this is not good. We just broke 41,036. So now the next stop is going to be 40,041. This is heading down. And we just broke below the 200-day moving average, which is an interesting symbol. SPX is continuing its move down. We had the sell signal right here when we broke lower than this. Boom. And now it's continuing. We should be good to go down to 54.52. Because we are seeing the VIX going higher, stochastic is in the tank at should be able to get lower. Nasdaq, we are really stabilizing right here. We are stabilizing at 19,231. We were into this congestion zone. We had a break here, and now it's consolidating. If we have another break after consolidation, always wait for a consolidation. This is better. So let it consolidate, and then when it breaks, this is a better signal than if it just goes through, then this is a weaker signal, because just like at a stoplight, if you see the stoplight turning green, you are going to pass. But if you don't see the stoplight turn green, then it's hard to trust that stoplight that it won't just snap at you. We are stabilizing. Also, it's possible that we have a little bit of a move up at some point, and this would give us a really nice channel to then short right here, shorting, and maybe multiple times. So this is what we will be expecting. Russell continuing as expected. We had some economic numbers today. The PPI month over month, the producer prices in the US were unchanged in February from January 2025, following an upwardly revised 0.6% rise. So this is good. The inflation seems to be under control. Let's take a look at some Tesla news we are getting in our Discord server. So Tesla Q1 delivery estimate on Wall Street is still at 418,000 EVs, but they are dreaming. So this is Fred Lambert. This guy is a Quebecer also. So he's Fred Lambert. And JP Morgan cuts Tesla price target on declining consumer sentiment, lowered their price target for Tesla to 120 from 135. Also, Honda launches 400-mile range Tesla Model Y competitor, but there's a catch. And this is actually pretty nice looking as a car. Look at this. Very nice. Honda claims that the S7, its first ever premium electric SUV, will break new ground thanks to exceptional comfort, a sophisticated modern look, and most importantly, more than 400 miles of driving range. The catch is that the SUV has only been launched in China for now. So let's hope that this comes to the US. This is very nice. It has both a single motor version and a dual version motors, almost 90 kilowatt hour pack. And the base model is only 201 horsepower, so that's not a lot. But with the all-wheel drive version, the second motor, we have 469 horsepower. So that makes it a bit more sense. So this is a pretty nice SUV. Yeah, in terms of buying opportunities, on the 1 hour chart, we have some buying opportunities right here. And if we close below then 217.65, we have some selling opportunities. The buying opportunity, we need stochastic over 60. This is what we have in mind. We are only waiting for either of these scenarios to happen. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.